Hello class. Today we're going to be talking about weather and climate. We're going to learn about climate and the different types of climate this week. And then next week we're going to be moving into climate change. What we are doing to cause it, what naturally causes it in the world, because climate change is a real thing and it is slightly different than global warming. So we're going to talk about that next week. But first we need to know the basics. So weather and climate are very different. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at any time, including aspects such as temperature, precipitation, air pressure, and cloud cover. So when we're talking about the weather, we're talking about how it is right now. As I'm making this video, it's about 44 degrees, windy. It snowed this morning, and it is cloudy. That is talking about the weather. I'm talking about the conditions currently being seen. This is different when we talk about climate. Climate is the average weather of a particular region over a time period of 30 plus years. So when we're talking about climate, we're not talking about what happens in a single day, but what it is typically like in this area during this time or during a year. So when I'm talking about the climate for Methuen, say in May, we would normally be seeing a warmer temperature with occasional rain. This is what we would expect. This is what we've seen over data over 30 years. It's what we predict to be happening. This is all about the weather patterns, what usually happens. But every day, weather can be random. All right? So the difference between weather and climate is that weather is short term. It is talking about what is happening right now, and climate is long term. What usually happens when we look at a lot of data, what we predict the temperature, the precipitation, the wind to be in an area. Weather is just looking at what's happening. Climate is looking at what's usually happening because of what has happened over a long span of time. So this video is very helpful. What I want you to do is watch it on the Edpuzzle that I assigned to you, and it's going to have these questions inside of it that you're going to answer as it goes. And then you'll be done your work for today. Tomorrow, you'll be writing a paragraph comparing and contrasting weather and climate. All right. Once you do the Edpuzzle, you are all done science. Thank you. Have a good day.